Do you know what it takes to build your own custom large language model that's specific to a domain? The recent LLaVA-Med paper can give us insight into do that. Let's look at the recipe they used. They started with Vicuna's 7 billion parameter model. This model is small enough to fit within a 40 gigabyte GPU. 7 billion parameters is still pretty small as large language models go, but let's just use this as a starting point. And of course, Vicuna's licensing is problematic and we couldn't use it for commercial uses. To teach it medical concepts, they created a data set in this format of human and assistants to fill it with that knowledge. To train it, they had to get 8 A100s with 40 gigs. It took about 7 hours for them to train it on 600,000 examples of this. When you're training it for these concepts, you don't want to overfit it, so often one epoch is enough. The next step was instruction tuning, and like a lot of the papers you see, they used GPT-4 to create these simulated conversations. In the end, they created 60,000 different conversations. When they went to go train this model, they used 3 epochs here, and so it took a total of 8 hours of training time to do this. But they also used GPT-4 to evaluate the model. GPT-4 was used as the reference baseline for conversations, and then they judged how well their conversations did against that. Bringing this all together, you can see there's issues of commercial licensing, huge amounts of GPU resources, and the need for GPT-4 all through this process